Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am going to share with you a very easy recipe of moong ki dal ke dahi bade or moong dal dahi bade. For moong dal dahi bade, the ingredients that we need in order to make the dahi badas are 1 cup of moong dal soaked for around 2 hours and then drained, 1 medium onion, 3 cloves of garlic and 2 green chilies. We will take our grinder jug and transfer all the soaked lentil into the jug. Add green chili, garlic. My onion was large, that's why I'm using half of the onion. Now I will add some water and grind this. For moong dal bade, now my lentil is all grinded along with the green chilies, garlic and onion. Now I'm going to add a little bit of spices and then we will beat it. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of red chili, 1 teaspoon salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. Pinch of soda bicarbonate. Now we will beat this better. Now we are making the yogurt ready for moong dal dahi bada. I have taken 2 cups of yogurt. Now I am going to add salt. Half teaspoon. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of red chili. 1/4 teaspoon of dry roasted cumin and coriander seeds. In order to fry the dahi badas, I have taken a pan and heat oil in it. Now I'm going to fry. Make sure that your oil is hot, okay? But it shouldn't be smoking hot. Otherwise, the dahi badas will cook from outside very fast. They will take the golden color very fast, but from inside it will be all uncooked. Dahi badas are supposed to be bigger in the size as compared to dahi pulki. So I'm taking a large spoon and I will drop the dahi bada like this. Once they are golden brown, I will be transferring them to a bowl of lukewarm water. Now all my moong dal dahi badas are ready. I'm going to soak them into the water for around 30 minutes and then I will start doing the assembly. Now we are going to assemble the dahi badas. Press them in between your palms and remove the excess water. Now I will add the yogurt, sprinkle some chaat masala, some red chili flakes. Moong dal dahi badas are ready. Do try them and let me know your feedbacks in the comments. Thank you.